Welcome back to Luxury Home Motors, and today we are diving into one of the most stunning and extraordinary creations in the world of motorhomes, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a moving luxury residence, a futuristic icon that blends elegance, performance, and comfort into one unforgettable package. Imagine the power and road presence of the legendary Kenworth W900 truck, transformed into a multi-story luxury motorhome that doesn't just turn heads, it stops people in their tracks. From the very first glance at the exterior, you can tell this is something entirely different. The polished metallic paint gleams under the lights, with chrome details catching every reflection like a diamond. The front fascia carries the unmistakable Kenworth styling, bold and confident, with modern LED lighting that adds a futuristic edge. What really sets this motorhome apart is its unique multi-story design. You can actually see visible rooms extending upward, a clear showcase of its luxurious and innovative architecture. It feels less like a recreational vehicle and more like a luxury residence on wheels, designed for those who refuse to compromise between travel and comfort. The side panels are sleek, the proportions are balanced, and the overall aesthetic is commanding yet elegant. When you park this in a premium showroom or on the road, it looks like a masterpiece of modern engineering. Step inside, and the real magic unfolds. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking. The multi-story layout gives an immediate sense of grandeur, unlike anything you'd expect in a traditional motorhome. Expansive tinted windows flood the interior with natural light while still offering privacy, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. The flooring features polished marble textures, the ceilings are adorned with ambient LED lighting, and every surface feels crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The main lounge area is designed with luxury in mind. Plush leather seating lines the space, arranged to maximize comfort and usability, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Built-in smart technology ensures that everything from climate control to media can be handled with a touch or a voice command. Large smart displays, premium surround sound, and seamless connectivity make it feel like a high-end living room that just happens to move with you. As you explore further, the kitchen area reveals itself as a chef's dream. Stainless steel appliances, induction cooking surfaces, and custom cabinetry combine practicality with style. Whether it's a quick snack or a full gourmet meal, this space is ready to deliver. Dining areas are beautifully set up to give that feeling of home, with space for family or guests to gather comfortably. Upstairs, the private quarters are equally impressive. The bedrooms are designed like luxury hotel suites, complete with king-size beds, fine linens, and panoramic views through tinted glass panels. Ambient lighting creates a relaxing mood, and every detail contributes to a sense of refinement and peace. Bathrooms are crafted with spa-like quality, featuring glass showers, premium fixtures, and materials you'd normally expect in luxury residences rather than on a vehicle. This is truly a moving 5-star experience. Beyond design and comfort, let's talk about performance. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just about looking incredible, it's built on one of the most reliable and powerful platforms in the trucking world. With its heavy-duty chassis and high-performance diesel engine, this motorhome offers the power and torque to handle long journeys effortlessly. It's built for endurance, stability, and safety, ensuring that no matter how luxurious the ride feels, it's still capable of conquering the open road with confidence. Driving this massive motorhome feels surprisingly smooth and controlled thanks to advanced suspension systems, power steering, and integrated driving assistance features. Now, of course, all this luxury comes with a price tag. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome positions itself firmly in the ultra-premium market, catering to those who seek not just transportation but a complete lifestyle experience. Depending on customizations, features, and finishes, prices can vary, but it easily crosses into the multi-million-dollar category. And honestly, when you consider what you're getting, a self-contained, multi-story, luxury residence on wheels with world-class performance, it feels less like a purchase and more like an investment in a lifestyle of freedom and exclusivity. What makes this motorhome so exciting is that it doesn't compromise. It gives you the power of a Kenworth truck, the beauty of a luxury villa, and the convenience of modern technology all fused into one. It is a bold statement of what's possible when design and engineering push the limits. Whether parked in a high-end resort, gliding along a scenic coastal highway, or displayed in a premium showroom, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome commands attention like no other. So, if you're someone who values both performance and absolute luxury, and if your dream is to travel the world without leaving behind the comforts of home, then the Kenworth W900 Motorhome might just be the ultimate dream machine. It's not only transportation, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement. Thank you for joining me today on this detailed look at one of the most incredible motorhomes ever built. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to stay tuned here at Luxury Home Motors, where we continue to bring you the finest and most luxurious vehicles from around the world. Until next time, keep chasing the road in style and comfort.